Did you know you can modify the Vim behavior? You can do that in a file called vimrc. So that's a hidden file called .vimrc, and in that file you can configure how Vim will behave. For example, you can enable things like line numbers with the command set number. You can turn on syntax highlighting, or maybe underline the current line. Depending on what you want, you can modify your Vim with this vimrc file, the .vimrc file. So it's a hidden file, and it's as simple as editing the file and then saving it and starting Vim again. So that's the .vimrc file, and that's always in your home directory, so in your user directory. So if you now start Vim, it's a modified vimrc file. You'll see I have line numbers on the left. I also have a current line is underlined. You'll see the current line is always underlined. I have these line numbers, and if I search for something, you'll see the highlights directly appear wherever they appear in the code. So in this case, we search for name, but for example, we search for DEF, you'll see that highlights the cases. And of course, we can jump between them, just like with normal Vim. Or if we search for something else, maybe a parenthesis, we can jump through them using the N key or the capital N to reverse, just like with Vim regular user. But you'll see now all the cases are highlighted. So with vimrc, you can customize Vim behavior. You can put some nice tweaks in there. So that's the .vimrc file. And you can add things like line numbers, syntax highlighting for programming, would show matches, the line, underline. Maybe you want to wrap long lines if they're too wide. And other features you can enable or disable in this .vimrc file.